Hello everyone. Today we will be talking on classification of Neisseria. It belongs to domain bacteria, phylum Pseudomonodonta, and or you can call it proteobacteria. The characteristics of this we will be discussing in the next coming slides. It has 5 classes, that means 5 subclasses. So phylum proteobacteria have 5 subclasses. That too will be talking in next coming slides. It belongs to order Neisserales, family Neisseriaceae, and genus is Neisseria, and species we will be discussing. Coming to phylum Pseudomonodonta, or nowadays it is also called proteobacteria. The characteristic features, I have listed some of the characteristic features of this phylum. That is, it belongs to the species of this phylum belongs to gram-negative bacteria usually, but exceptions are there. Outer membrane is of lipopolysaccharides. They can be anaerobic in nature. Again, exceptions are there. Many have flagella and some move through gliding. So this is also, exceptions are there in this case also. And this phylum is further divided into 5 subclasses. Coming to the classes of Pseudomonodonta or proteobacteria, it has 5 classes: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. And here I have picked up the characteristics of the type of nutrients they are dependent on. Like alpha belongs to phototropic bacteria. So genera of phototropic bacteria is included in alpha. Eutroph or copiotrophs include in beta. Eutrophs means nutrient-rich environment. They survive in nutrient-rich environment. So the genus Neisseria, which we are going to discuss, belongs to this beta group. Then gamma have carbon, nitrogen, sulfur dependent bacteria. Delta has the bacteria which degrades and grows on macromolecular substances, while epsilon grows on is a sulfur oxidizer. So this is how they take up their nutrients. Now we are focusing on genus Neisseria, so that comes under the order Neisserales. The most species of this order is again non-motile. So I told you in phylum that there are certain exceptions in that class itself. So here we will be focusing on order Neisserales. So when we are focusing on order Neisserales, then these are the following characteristics found in order Neisserales. That is cocci or cocobacilli. They are often inhibit mucous membrane of host, and certain species of this order are pathogenic also. Family-Neisseriaceae, genus Neisseria comes under the family Neisseriaceae, which is strictly aerobic. Now here you can see this is an exception to that phylum, or phylum proteobacteria. So here it is strictly aerobic. Gram-negative diplococci. It occurs in pair. It do not have flagella. So Neisseriaceae do not have genus coming under Neisseriaceae do not have flagella. So what are the genera which are covered? Plural of genus is genera. So what are the genera that fall under the family Neisseriaceae? It's Neisseria, Moraxella, Kingella, Acinetobacter. So now we are focusing on genus Neisseria. So this is the typical characteristics of genus Neisseria, which is it's always gram-negative, non-spore forming, diplococcus, aerobic, oxidase positive, catalase positive, chemoorganotrophic. I have already told that is eutroph, and have potential to ferment carbohydrate. This is the characteristics of genus Neisseria, and the 2 species which are pathogenic to human, and these two species which we will be reading in detail is Neisseria gonorrhea, and other one is Neisseria meningitidis. So I will be taking up each species individually, and we will be talking more on these species. Until then, take care.